Hi, my name is Mia.
And hey guys, I'm Jack.
We're from the United States.
Yeah, we're really happy to be here today.
How are you today, Jack?
I'm doing good. A little tired, but good. I had coffee, so I feel better now.
Coffee always helps. I had tea this morning.
Tea, nice. Are you a tea person now?
I think so. I'm trying to drink less coffee, but it's hard.
Yeah, I understand that. Coffee is my best friend.
So today, we're going to talk about something very useful.
Yes, something very practical.
Today's topic is helping a lost tourist using very simple English.
This is a great topic.
Yes, because many people feel nervous in this situation.
That's true. You see a tourist, they look confused, they look lost.
And you think, oh no, my English is not good.
Yes, exactly.
But the good news is, you don't need perfect English.
Not at all. Simple English is enough.
Okay, let's imagine a real situation.
All right?
You are walking in your city,
Maybe near a bus stop,
or a train station.
and you see a tourist.
You see a tourist.
They have a backpack.
They look at their phone.
They look around.
They look confused.
Yes, very confused.
And you want to help.
So what do you say first?
You can say something very simple.
Like, hi,
Yes, just hi.
or hello.
That's perfect. Then you can ask,
Do you need help?
slowly, clearly.
Do you need help?
That's great.
And the tourist might say,
Yes, or yes, please.
now the tourist talks.
They might say, I'm lost.
Or, I can't find this place.
And they show you their phone.
They point to a place.
Maybe it's a hotel
Or a museum.
or a bus station.
Now it's your turn to help.
This is where people feel scared.
Yes, but don't worry.
You can use very simple words.
Very simple.
You can say, go straight.
Go straight.
Then, turn left.
Or turn right.
That's it.
You don't need long sentences.
You can use your hands.
Hands help a lot.
Hands are great English teachers.
Yes, they are.
Have you ever helped a lost tourist, Jack?
Yes, many times.
Really?
Yeah, one time I was in New York City.
Oh, wow.
A man from Spain asked me for help.
What happened?
My Spanish is very bad. And his English was very basic.
So, what did you do?
We used hands, a lot of hands.
That's funny.
But you know what?
What?
It worked.
That's the important part. Here's something very important.
Yes, very important.
Speak slowly,
Slow.
not fast,
No rushing.
and use easy words.
Like here,
There,
near,
far,
bus.
train,
Simple words are powerful.
bus offering extra help,
You can also ask, bus
or taxi.
or walk?
Short questions are okay.
Yes, very okay.
And if you don't know the answer, that's okay too.
You can say, I'm sorry,
I don't know.
but maybe.
Let's ask.
Or, I can help find.
Helping someone feels good.
It really does.
The tourist often smiles.
They say thank you.
Sometimes they say it many times.
Yes, thank you, thank you.
That feels nice,
You feel proud.
even with simple English.
Why this is important?
This topic is important for English learners.
Because English is not about perfection,
It's about connection,
helping people,
caring,
and trying.
yes, trying. The age-old problem. Tourist still confused.
Okay, let's imagine the situation again.
You gave directions.
You said, go straight.
You said turn left.
But the tourist looks confused.
They look at the phone again,
They look at you.
and they say, sorry, can you help me?
This happens a lot.
Offering more help. Now, what can you say?
You can say something simple.
Like, it's okay.
Yes, I can help.
Or, I can walk with you.
Slow, clear.
I can walk with you.
That sentence is very powerful.
The tourist smiles.
You see relief on their face.
They say, oh, thank you.
Thank you so much.
They feel safe now.
Walking together,
So you start walking.
side by side.
You don't walk too fast.
Slow walking.
Slow talking.
Perfect for English learners.
Small talk while walking.
Now something nice happens.
You can make small talk.
Very simple small talk.
Like, where are you from?
This is a great question.
The tourist answers, I'm from Korea.
Or, I'm from Brazil.
Or, I'm from France. You learn something new.
Sharing simple information. Then you can say, oh, nice.
Or, that's great.
You don't need long sentences.
Short is good. Little friendly humor.
Have you ever helped a lost tourist, Jack?
Yes.
One time in Chicago.
Oh, wow.
One time in Chicago.
What happened?
We walked and walked and walked. I said, it's close.
Uh-oh.
But it was not close.
Oh, no.
After 10 minutes, I said,
What?
sorry, it's farther.
Honest English.
Yes, honest English.
Checking understanding.
When you walk with someone,
You can check understanding.
you can say, is this okay?
Or, is this the place?
Very simple.
And the tourist says, yes, or no. Arriving at the place.
Then you arrive,
You see the hotel.
or the museum.
Or the station.
You point and say, here.
This is it.
The tourist's face lights up.
Gratitude moment. They stop walking.
They turn to you.
They smile.
They say, thank you so much.
Thank you for your help.
Sometimes they say it again.
And again,
Yes.
your response.
How you respond.
You can say, you're welcome.
Or, no problem.
Very common.
Very friendly.
Adding a kind sentence.
You can also add something kind.
Like, enjoy your trip.
This is a great sentence.
Simple but warm.
Or you can say, have a nice day.
Easy English. Wishing a safe trip.
Sometimes the tourist is traveling more.
Yes.
They may go to another city.
Or another country.
So you can say, have a safe trip.
Slowly. Have a safe trip. That feels very kind.
Tourist responds.
The tourist smiles big.
They say, thank you.
I will.
Or, thanks, you too.
Small friendly moment. Sometimes something funny happens.
Yes,
You try to say goodbye in your language.
that's true.
You say it a little wrong,
But it's cute.
and you smile.
Body language.
Now, what about body language?
Good question.
You can wave.
You can smile.
You can shake hands.
Some people bow.
Some people shake hands.
All are okay.
Your feelings inside.
How do you feel now?
You feel good,
Proud.
proud,
Helpful.
helpful.
You used English in real life.
Even simple English.
Short reflection while walking away.
Now you start walking away.
You think to yourself,
That was nice.
I helped someone.
And maybe you think, my English is not bad. Yes,
Why this matters?
this moment is important.
Because English connects people.
From different countries,
Different cultures.
different lives.
But the feeling is the same.
Kindness.
Simple English review.
Let's review a few simple sentences.
Okay.
Do you need help?
I can help you.
Go straight.
Turn left.
This is the place.
You're welcome.
Enjoy your trip.
Have a safe trip.
Encouragement for learners.
If you are learning English,
Don't wait for perfect English.
use what you know.
Simple is powerful.
Mistakes are okay.
Very okay.
Final takeaway.
Helping someone is brave.
Speaking English is brave.
Even one sentence matters.
Even one word.
Your English is enough.
Always enough.
Thank you for watching today.
We're proud of you.
Thanks for learning with us today.
We're happy you're here.
Keep practicing.
See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye-bye.